Ever wondered how that simple act of breathing keeps you alive and kicking? It's time to dive deep into the fascinating world of the human respiratory system. This complex yet incredibly efficient system is our body's natural mechanism for sustaining life, converting each breath we take into the oxygen our body needs to function. Imagine a vast network, composed of various parts working in harmony. It begins with our trachea or windpipe, a sturdy tube that carries air into our lungs. This further branches off into smaller tubes known as bronchi, and at the end of these bronchi, like tiny bunches of grapes, we find the alveoli, minute air sacs where the magic truly happens. Here, oxygen is extracted from the air we breathe and diffused into our bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, is expelled back out. Stay tuned as we unravel the intricate details of how your body takes in the air you breathe. Scene script. Picture this. Every time you inhale, you're setting off a chain of events that sustain your life. Let's see how that happens. As you breathe in, the air enters your body through your nose or mouth, travels down the throat into the trachea or windpipe, and then into the bronchi, the two main branches in the lungs. Now here's where the magic happens. Your bronchi divide, multiply, and get smaller, like the branches of a tree, until they finally end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. But let's rewind a bit. During inhalation, your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle at the base of your lungs, contracts and flattens. At the same time, your intercostal muscles, which are situated between your ribs, move the ribs outward. This causes your chest cavity to expand, creating a vacuum that pulls air into your lungs. As the air rushes in, it fills the alveoli, where an incredible exchange takes place. Each of these alveoli is surrounded by a network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Oxygen from the air you've inhaled passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and capillaries and into your bloodstream. This oxygen-rich blood is then pumped by your heart to every corner of your body, providing the energy your cells need to function. But what about the waste? As the cells in your body use the oxygen, they produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct. This carbon dioxide follows the reverse path of the oxygen. It passes from the cells into the capillaries, then into the alveoli. Now we're back to exhalation. Your diaphragm and intercostal muscles relax, causing your chest cavity to decrease in volume. This pushes the air, now rich in carbon dioxide, out of your lungs and back into the world. Inhale, exhale, and repeat. This process happens automatically around 12 to 20 times per minute, every minute of every day of your entire life. So that's how a single breath travels in, gets used, and then leaves your body. But what exactly is this breath made of? Air isn't just air, it's a cocktail of gases. And your body is the perfect mixologist. So, what's in this cocktail? Well, when you inhale, you're pulling in about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and a dash of other gases, like argon and carbon dioxide. Now oxygen, that's the star player here. It's like the gin in your gin and tonic. Your body needs it to create energy, and without it, well, things wouldn't go so well. As you breathe in, your body takes this oxygen and uses it to fuel your cells, essentially keeping the lights on. But what about when you exhale? That breath out is releasing a mix of about 78% nitrogen, 16% oxygen, 4% carbon dioxide, and a smidge of other gases. That carbon dioxide, it's a byproduct of your body doing its thing, creating energy. So your body is constantly managing these gases to keep you well and functioning. But how do these gases travel around your body? Your lungs might be the stars of the show, but they're not working alone. They've got a powerful ally, your blood vessels. These unsung heroes are the highways of the body, zipping life-sustaining oxygen from your lungs to every cell that needs it. But how does this grand operation work? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the vascular connection. The circulatory system, your body's transport network, is a critical player in respiration. It's like a vast, intricate road system with your heart as the central hub. From this hub, a pair of highways, the pulmonary arteries and veins, establish a vital link between your heart and lungs. Now let's talk about these highways. The pulmonary arteries are like the outgoing lanes ferrying oxygen-poor, carbon dioxide-rich blood from the heart to the lungs. Here, In the bustling metropolis of your lungs, carbon dioxide, a waste product of your body's metabolic processes, is expelled, and the blood is recharged with fresh oxygen. This newly oxygenated blood then takes the return lanes, the pulmonary veins, back to the heart, ready to be pumped out to the rest of the body. But what about the oxygen? How does it hitch a ride on the blood? Well, that's where hemoglobin comes in. Hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells, is like the city bus of the bloodstream. It binds with oxygen, creating a cozy seat for it to travel in. Once the blood reaches oxygen-needy cells, hemoglobin releases the oxygen where it's used to generate energy. So picture this. With every breath you take, your lungs and circulatory system are working together in a beautiful dance. Your lungs pull in oxygen, your blood vessels transport it, and your cells use it. It's a complex yet seamless operation, all to keep you alive and well. And that's the miracle of respiration. So, your respiratory and circulatory systems are like a well-oiled machine working in harmony to keep you alive and well. And that, my friends, is the miracle of respiration. So now you know every breath you take is a testament to the incredible complexity and efficiency of your body. We've journeyed through the intricate labyrinth of the respiratory system, from the nostrils and mouth, down the trachea, and into the bronchi and bronchioles. We've explored the tiny, miraculous alveoli, where the magic of gas exchange happens. We've seen how the oxygen we breathe fuels our bodies, and how the carbon dioxide we exhale is a byproduct of our life-sustaining processes. We've also touched on the vascular connection, appreciating the integral role of the heart and blood vessels in this grand physiological symphony. It's truly a marvel of nature and a testament to the wonder of the human body. But let's not forget the importance of maintaining our respiratory health. It's crucial to breathe clean air, avoid smoking, and get regular exercise to keep this vital system in top shape. Remember, each breath you take is a gift. So breathe easy and take care of your respiratory system. It's working hard for you.